So in this problem, we have this differential equation up here, and the key is we want to verify that this is a solution to the differential equation. So in order to do it, we have to recognize that this is just plain x. That's a solution. And I have the second derivative, which I'll call double prime, minus 3x prime minus 10x is equal to 0. That's what I'm working with. So from here, if I want to verify it's a solution, what I'm going to do is I'm purely going to, What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this equation here, which is x, and I'm going to take the derivative, dx dt, which I know is x prime, and it's going to be 5ae to the 5t minus 2be to the minus 2t. Okay, and that is going to be this value here. And similarly, to find this value, if I take the derivative of this, it's going to be the second derivative, so x double prime is going to be 25ae to the 5t, because the chain rule, the 5 becomes 25, minus plus 4be to the minus 2t, taking the derivative. And so now, if I take this value and plug it in for x double prime, so 25ae to the 5t plus 4be to the minus 2t minus 3, x prime is up top here. So I have 5ae to the 5t minus 2b to e to the minus 2t. And then finally, I have the minus 10x. Well, the minus 10x, I get minus 10x is this value here. So ae to the 5t plus be to the minus 2t. And when I'm done, I want it to equal 0. I want this to basically, 0. Here's the 0 I'm looking for. I want it to be 0. I want all of this, because it's equal to 0, I want it to be 0. So then it's a matter of simplifying this equation. And if I simplify it, I get 25ae to the 5t minus 15ae to the 5t minus 10ae to the 5t. And similarly, if I switch colors here, I get the b's. I get 4 plus 4be to the minus 2t. And here I'm going to get plus 6be to the minus 2t. And then minus 10be to the minus 2t. Well, they all cancel out, which equals 0. Therefore, I have verified that this is a solution to the differential equation. Moving on to part I. There is a typo in the question. This should be t is equal to 0. So given, find the solution for when this is true. So this means when t equals 0, x is equal to 0. So if I go to this equation here, I know that if t is 0, I get 0 is equal to ae to the power 0 is 1 plus b. So, and the other one I'm going to do is if I look at the derivative, which was dx dt, which was 5ae to the 5t minus 2be to the minus 2t. If I use this value, I know that 14 is equal to 5a minus 2b. And if I solve these two equations, I know this is 2a plus 2b is equal to 0. 7a is equal to 14, so a equals 2, and so b is equal to minus 2. And so the solution is going to be, if I look at that, I know the final solution. If I go back to here, I get x is equal to 2e to the 5t minus 2e to the minus 2t.